Am I the only one who had no idea how insane the Beijing water cube actually is? Seriously, this place is next level and totally mind-blowing. Here's how it was built, step by step. First up, the design of the water cube. Its look was inspired by bubbles, literally and intentionally. The outer shell uses thousands of steel beams. Those beams form a crazy geometric bubble pattern. Then comes the magic. The walls aren't glass. They're made from a plastic material called ETFE. It's strong and durable under harsh conditions too. Super light, making it easy to support structurally. It lets in tons of natural light daily, which saves energy. During construction, crews assembled the steel skeleton piece by piece. It was like a giant 3D puzzle to assemble. Each individual bubble was filled with air for insulation. This created perfect insulation across the building throughout. The result? A building that's as efficient as it is beautiful. So next time you see the water cube, remember, it's more than just a pool or stadium. It's a science meets art masterpiece worth seeing in person.